How to fix Marvel Rivals voice chat not working on your PC. So, like many others, I could hear others in voice chat, but I could never talk. Even when clicking the push to talk button, I never saw the icon pop up, nor anyone could hear me. So, this is what actually fixed it for me, guys. So, what you're gonna do is you wanna go to your sound settings and your window settings. So, come here at the bottom right click on your speaker icon, click on open sound settings. Okay, now once this opens up, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So scroll down. So this is my main input device. This is my microphone, okay, that I actually use. Come to advanced sound options, and then here under app volume device preferences, click here. Then what you're going to do is, if you have Marvel Rivals opened up, your app will show up here. So what you want to do, the input, instead of something like default, you want to change this to your microphone. So this is my microphone. So I would just change it to that and save that. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did help you out, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.